Hey guys, so listen, I'm gonna show you guys it's my birth month, which is June, and we're gonna vlog right through. So the first thing I did, I start the month with a banger. I went ahead, as the title suggests, and I got myself a new tattoo. You guys leave it in the comment section and tell me where you think that I put that new tattoo. But I'm gonna show it to you guys anyway. But I want you guys to leave a comment and tell me if you like it. What's basically your thoughts about the new tattoo. I have some clippings that I'm gonna post with me in the shop getting it done. I was actually asleep, so I didn't get to record the last part of it. I just have the ending result where he was like putting on some tapes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. But yeah, leave a comment, tell me if you like it, tell me what you think about this what you just said, the place that I put it. Yeah, but I like it anyway. It hurts a little bit, but I'll be fine. Hey guys. Oh, watch highlight then I blend out. Stop it out. So I am on my way. I'm gonna put on a tattoo. My appointment is 11 o'clock and I'm running a little bit late, so we gotta get there like right now. So baby now come off. I've got this one nasty girl beard. I've got this one nasty girl beard. Oh. Okay. So much days to keep your answer?
So long as you see this full up of water underneath it, like, that's what
Yeah.
it looks like right now. Maybe we can tell. But empty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, I am back home and we're gonna go inside crissyartwork with the baby. The kids aren't here as yet. The kids went with my cousin Lakeisha. They spent the day with her. So I'm gonna go. I want to see his reaction to the new tat. He was, you know, iffy about it, but we're gonna see his, oh, my camera is so, we're gonna see his reaction. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna walk through the front door because I want to see his reaction. So guess what? We're gonna see his reaction. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. A matter of fact, you guys are not gonna see it as yet. So let's go. Oh, see? So this is it. There's plastic over it. I haven't removed it because there's no bubble in between it, but it's coming off. So maybe by tomorrow it off, because I still do take a shower and stuff. So it's on my right leg, right this mostly to the side. Very nice, and it's the flowers. I just feel like color tattoo is outdated, so I have all black with, you know, shades and stuff like that. But yeah, all right guys, I did take the plastic off. Right here is from the plastic. So this is it with the plastic off. Yeah, this is it guys. It's mostly to the side, as you can see, and I did purchase the A&D ointment to go on it, and I used the petroleum jelly also. So this is it guys. Tell me what you think. Also, baby Olivia is up. Also too, make sure you guys go over the family channel, which is the Carter family, so you guys can see the reaction video to the new tattoo. Okay, so yeah guys, Pecos, he did the tattoo. You guys can check him out, really good. He's also Jamaican, but I did it on Cartman black ink in Orlando. So yeah, that's what's up. But anyway, that's how we start our birthday. We have some more stuff doing for the rest of the month, which includes, you know, eating food, trying different places, which also includes maybe get a massage or some facial or something, which also includes probably buying some clothes, gifting myself or stuff like that. Just trying to do something right through the month. So just stay tuned. I want you guys to tell me what you think about the tattoo. Leave your opinion down below. Okay, so this is day one of or birth, what did I say, vlogmas, birthmas. That's all. But anyway, yeah, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for tomorrow. I don't know what we're posting tomorrow, but stay tuned for that. Bye.